When is it wise to invest in real estate? Can real estate give you superior returns? We have our industry expert Manish with us to know more about real estate investment. Manish, the screen is all yours.
Let's say 100 rupees property. I'm making it a very simple numbers. I'm not complicating it. If you're making a 100 rupees investment in a particular property, and if it's giving you, let's say if it's for an investment purpose, and if it's giving you on an annual basis a 6 rupees rental yield. Let's say if you are giving it for rental and you're getting a 6 rupees, we call it as the rent or the return on that particular investment is close to 6% on an annual basis. Right now, if this 6% is something which you are getting on an annual basis, and if you are paying a loan of almost 10%, now that's a negative 4% hit which is there on your overall investment. But let's say if your loan is roughly around 8.5%, and you're getting a 6% rental yield, and every year the price of that property is going up by 6%. So effectively your yearly return is 12%. You are still saving roughly around 3.5-4%. If that maths is fitting, and you can see that the rental yield plus the appreciation of that property is more than the loan which you have taken, then you can call it's a good investment. You can go for a real estate kind of investment. So please always keep in mind that what's the rental yield you are going to get on the particular property you have invested. What may be the capital appreciation after 5 years, 10 years. So maybe first year, second year, you don't get any appreciation, but maybe third or fifth year, you're getting some appreciation, which will cover for your cost. If that's the case, then you buy. Normally, as a rule of thumb, when the interest rates are lower, it's a very simple math that it's ideal for buying a property at that point of time. Unfortunately, now it was during COVID time when we used to get a 6.5 or a 7% home loan. Now it has moved to almost 8.5, 9%, and in the next 1.5 years, you're going to see that remain in that way. So yes, it is going to move on the higher side. So when you're buying a real estate, please look at rental yield and the loan rate which is there.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.